Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying to get this 1997 Honda Prelude fired up today. And what we're going to do to achieve that, we're going to install a new battery, some injector cleaner, so I'm pretty sure she has a fuel blockage, some high quality fuel, some 98 octane, about 9 to 10 litres of it to be precise. And also we're going to install some new spark plugs, NGKs. That's what Honda uses, so that's what we're going to install today. Hopefully once we install all these things, try turning over the engine a couple of times, she should fire up, hopefully. And if she does, I'll be wrapped, just like the rest of any of you are having this issue. So let's see how we go with this problem. Hopefully we're a winner today. Well, I just took out the old spark plugs, and I must say they were due to be changed. As you can see, there's a bit of discoloration here on the top of the spark plugs, telling me they were getting quite hot because, you know, they're not obviously high temperature spark plugs. These are just standard spark plugs, but these aren't NGKs. These are Champion spark plugs. They're not too bad. They're made in the USA, but they're not the correct ones. And I'll show you how you can tell. When you have your engine bay open, there's some nice, very handy information. You would find all this stuff in your maintenance book, but just this sticker right here will tell you what type of spark plugs is supposed to be installed. As you can see, spark plug type NGK. It even gives you the model number of the spark plugs. So if you want to chase up the exact spark plugs that Honda used for this particular engine, well, everything's right there. There's some very handy information, guys, and it's not just this sticker, even the ones next to it. This one here tells you to use Honda lubricants only, not aftermarket stuff. Like, all the stuff's there, guys. Everything, all the information that you guys need is all pretty much right there in front of you guys. So even if you take it to a mechanic and they didn't even know what they were doing, well, these are guidelines to sort of go by to maximize the lifespan of your engine. So you just can't go wrong. See, I've got an issue with the ABS. The ABS light's on. That means the brakes need to be serviced. So I have to bleed the ABS system and replace the brake fluid to fix that. We'll let the engine warm up and we'll give her a few revs and see how she goes. Let's have a look at the engine bay, shall we? Now, can I just say this, guys, straight off? For an engine's got 244,000 Ks, it's quiet. It's really, really quiet. Like, I'm impressed. Honda engines are really engineered, really, really well. I'm just so surprised. Listen to that. She sounds very, very healthy, and mind you, I don't have brand new oil in this. I've got used Mobil 1 oil in it, just for the time being, guys, because I need to suss out this car, because I know there's some issues with it, so we'll be narrowing them down one thing at a time. But yeah, very, very pleased. Let's see if the engine's warmed up. We'll give her a couple of revs. That sounds awesome. I hope it's got a high flow cat. I have no idea. Alright guys, well, we've got her running. The car's done 244,000 kilometres. She sounds like that. I'm very pleased. See you in the next video, guys.